What the hell is up, guys? Harmonious here, and I'm starting my vlog at Skate Lab, and I'm already all sweaty, and that's because I forgot to film my intro earlier, so I just started skating right away, so I'm filming my intro a little bit later in the day. Today has been pretty hectic already. The original plan today was to go to Santa Clarita Skate Park with Orii. Along the way there, we got into a car accident, number one, so that's the whole reason for the title of this vlog. I do not have footage of the situation just because it was very unexpected. We were literally on our way to the skate park, beginning of the day. I still haven't filmed a single thing yet, and we crashed into another car, so that was very scary, but thankfully everyone in the collision is okay, so everything's completely alright. Only thing damaged was the vehicle, so that's not that big of a deal. After the car crash, we finally got to Santa Clarita Skate Park after like literally sitting an hour in traffic, and Santa Clarita Skate Park was closed down due to vandals and I guess graffiti, so a bunch of people came there, ruined the whole skate park, and basically ruined the opportunity for anyone else to skate it. Naturally, plan B was to go to the next closest skate park that was lit up, and that was Skate Lab. I've been wanting to skate at Skate Lab for a while, so I guess everything worked out in the end. We still got a skate session, and everyone was alright in the end. I have been getting a lot of comments asking for more skate content, so this whole video is basically going to be me and Orii skating at Skate Lab, so let's get it.
More harmonious world out there.
Harmonious. Very, very harmonious. Scrumptiously harmonious. Peace.
Show me your moves.
I know I always say that was a fun ass skate session, but this one was definitely fun because Orii and I landed a bunch of tricks each, so I know I'm going to be able to get a good Instagram edit out of this whole thing. Like I said, this is going to be a short video. It's just going to be a skate session or a couple skate sessions, so please leave a like if you guys like this video. Please leave a comment if you guys want to see more only skate content, just me going to skate parks and stuff like that. And do not forget to subscribe if you guys are not subscribed already. I hope you guys have a good one. Peace.
Good times, good times. There's gonna be good times. Good time. I know there's gonna be
work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Bust a toast to your real friend.